Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Card Chronicles. In this video, I'm going to show you or I'm going to let you know the types of credit card that has been offered by Citibank or Citigroup Bank. So I'm going to list out all the card that is offered by the Citigroup Bank. So make sure to stick with us right till the end. So first thing, I'm going to go ahead and open up a web browser, and on the web address bar, type in a link that is www.online.citi.co.in/credit. So it's going to take you to the official field. So here you'll be able to see all of the card that is being offered by Citibank or Citigroup bank account. So according to the Citibank group, there are different types of credit card that has been offered. So let me go ahead and list out some of them. The first thing is you have a compare credit cards. So this is the one that you could go ahead and press the apply now button and apply for it. So basically, Citigroup bank account offers a different type of credit card. Now among those, it includes Citi Reward credit card, and likewise you have a Citi Cash Back credit card. There is also a card that is Citi Premier Miles credit card, and another is for Indian Oil Citi credit card, First Citizen Citi credit card, and a Citi Prestige credit card. Now if you wish to go and apply for the credit card, you just press the link and then you'll be taken to their official page, and just press on the apply now button and you should be able to apply for the credit card. So these are some of the credit card that is offered by the Citigroup bank account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.